In previous video we have done with the numbers. In this video we will start string. What is string? First of all, it is a collection of characters of a special number. And identification of string in a Python. Okay. In the previous languages you describe the string with double inverted comma, but in a Python you can describe the string with single inverted comma, with double inverted comma, and with triple inverted comma. Now there are three types of string in the Python. First is sequential, second is order, third is immutable. Immutable means non-changeable. You can't change. That is called immutable. Here I am taking s is equal to hello in the single inverted comma. Here I am taking s1 equal to hello world in double inverted comma. S2 equal to how are you in triple inverted comma. So these are the identification of the string. Right now I'm running the type of s, it is string. Again, type of s1 it will string, type of s2 it is a string. Now I am taking the syntax of hello right now. So okay, as of zero it will always start with the zero index, this one h, then 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, and then 4. Now, s of 0, if I am running s of 0, then it will show me the h. S of 2, then it will show me the L, this one, L, right? Then I'm taking s of 0, then it will not define. S of 0, it is not defined in the string, and it will show you the error that name 0 is not defined. If I am running s of 4, then it will give me the O, this one. This O, it will give me the O. So this is the syntax you need to know, right? Again, I am running print dir of s, then it will be show the function, various function using in the string. So I am searching this. In the previous video, I am not, just a minute. In the previous video, I mentioned the strip in the integer, right? In the integer, I mentioned the strip in the previous video. Right now, we are having a strip in the string also, right? Now, I'm taking one example of replace. We will do all the example in the string. I'm taking one example as dot replace h. Whatever you want to replace, you have to put first h. I have to replace h. This h, this h you have to put first. Okay. And with whom you have to change that, whom you have to just put it down after the comma with capital H, right? And then you have to run the program, shift enter, then it will be changed. Okay, your small h will be changed by the capital H. Okay. Now these are the some operation of string. First one is concatenation, second one is repetition, and third one is indexing. Now I'm taking hello plus world, then I'm pressing shift enter, then it is called the concatenation. Hello plus space, if you want a space, some space, you can give the space by mentioning double inverted comma in between the space, and it will show you the space, right? This is the comment, single line comment. If you are using a hashtag, then it will mention in the comment. Slash t for tab and slash n for new line. Now I'm taking a print hello plus slash t and word. So it will give you some spaces between two words. Now I'm taking print hello plus slash n and then word. It will give you the new line to another word. Hello, then new line. Right? If you want to print multiple time 90, you don't have to written like this way. It will give you the error. Okay, if you want to print multiple times hello, you don't have to write it down this way. It will give you the error. Then how to write it? Okay. This way you can write it. Or repetition, you have to write it down in this way only. Star, if you want a star multiple times, like 20 times, you need to mention the star in the double inverted comma. Then what you want, multiple times, 20. Okay, if I want 30 times, 30 times, okay, shift enter, so it will give me the 30 times. Okay, same way, I want a quiescent 10 times or 20 times. Okay, again I want 20 times, shift enter, you have to mention. So in this way you can write it down for the repetition, right? You can also add hello world by using the add function, which is already mentioned in the dir of s1, right? In this way you can write, you can add this. In this way also you can write hello dot underscore underscore. You just need to copy paste it, dot underscore underscore add dot again underscore underscore and then word. In this way you can also add the word. In this way you can also add the word, right? Hello dot mul 5 times. If you want to 5 times, you can write it down star then 5. It will be okay. And if you write it down the function mul, which is mentioned over here, then it will be okay, right? So in the next video, we will see various function, more function in the string. Okay, just do the work and be a learner. See you in the next video.